Right now, our cybersecurity sentiment score has spiked to plus 0.23, with a momentum of plus 0.57, both significantly above the historical baseline. This uptick suggests that sentiment around cybersecurity is shifting positively, reflecting growing confidence or urgency in addressing security challenges. Our API returns comprehensive insights, including sentiment scores and semantic clusters, helping you understand the nuances behind this shift. One immediate use case is enhancing your threat intelligence systems. Leveraging this data can help prioritize alerts based on the latest sentiment trends, ensuring you focus on what's most critical. Explore how to integrate this powerful data into your applications by visiting pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Get ahead of the curve with real-time insights that matter.